Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So we're back today with a new video, and in today's video I'm featuring Y&Y hair. Big thank you to Y&Y for sponsoring today's video. So let's jump into this look. So the hair that I'm currently rocking is a 613/16 color highlight straight texture wig. I have her in 13x4 parting space, and this is 26 inches. So you can purchase this wig from 16 inches all the way up to 30. You can purchase this in either the body wave or the straight, as well as 13x4 or 13x6. So there's quite a few different options when it comes to the lace construction and style of this wig. But for me, I went with the straight texture, and I love this 26 inches because it hits perfect. It's like the perfect length. And we're going to curl this. So I'm going to show you that you can achieve a body wave with the straight texture hair. So here I'm just cutting the lace off. This lace does look a little intimidating at first. It looks like it's on the lighter side, but as you can see, we're going to get a flawless melt. We're going to melt this one down. I took my time with this install because this wig, yeah, one of my favorites. This is like a rose gold type color. So it's 613 because of like a patch or a highlight of blondes. But most of this wig does give a rosy gold color, which I love. So to lay this wig down, I use the ORS wig grip. You see me spraying that directly on the lace, and I'm using the rat tail comb and my finger to push the lace into the skin. I am going to use a handheld fan to dry the lace down before I put the melt band on. I use the melt band that was provided with the package. So here I'm using my fan. This is actually my eyelash fan, but the other one, the battery died, so we're going to make do with what we got. Okay, so here, this is just the other side. I'm going to repeat the steps. Spray the product directly on the lace and then press that into the skin. Once I do that, I do go in with my freeze spray and I tap that into the lace on top, and that combination gives me the perfect meltdown and the perfect holds for an all day holds. So I'm going to continue to work that product into the lace, and then I'll be back once we move on to styling.
Yeah. I know you won't leave me hanging. Smoking weed out the container. We spend cash for entertainment. That's more where that came from. That's all I'm saying. It's me and you and we making arrangements. It's you and me and we making arrangements.
Is it hot in here or is it just me? I'm so high in here, been smoking on this weed. Told him go and take a shot on 3. Told him drinks, it's on me. Yeah, the drinks are on me. They said now go and take a shot on me. Only drug the bitches on is the
So here I'm just using the wax stick and the hot comb, and I am pressing out the hairline before I put the bands on. I like to put a little bit of heat on the hairline before I melt it down, because that's going to be under the band the entire time I'm styling. So I rather get that out of the way. Also, I'm making sure to part in between the wig and hit that with the hot comb and the flat iron, just to ensure that it is flat, because I want this to be super laid. So here I put the melt band on, and I'm going to go in with this shimmer light spray. This is specifically for blonde hair. It's a heat protectant and it adds a sheen to the hair. Every product that I use in this video will be linked in the description box, so be sure to check that out. Here I'm using my hot toast flat iron, and I am doing the comb chase method, and I'm going to press this hair out, because the first look that I'm going to show you is the bone straight bust down middle part. Okay, so this is nothing new. This is a regular comb chase method. I like to use this method. It gets the hair ultra straight. So I'm going to continue to do that until I'm satisfied with how flat this is. So this step, I wanted to include this in the video because I usually don't, but please make sure the back of your wig is laid as well. Depending on your head shape, it can be elevated, but I like to make sure the back is as flat as possible. Do you see this melt? Yeah, like I said, that lace is intimidating, but nope, don't play with it. It is melted. So here, I'm just going to cut off the little excess lace. Press that down. Here I'm just doing a few finishing touches, but I'm really satisfied with the way this looks. I would love to wear this straight, but for video purposes, we're going to curl her. And when I curl this, we will do a side part. So this is what it looks like straight. Let me know down below if you prefer it in the straight texture or if you like the way it looks curled up. Here I'm going in with a little bit of concealer to brighten up that part. Using the hot comb because it can never be laid enough in the front. And then once I'm done with that, we'll jump into the next style. So here I'm taking the rat tail comb and I'm moving my part over to the side. I wanted to do a deep side part. So this is a 13x4 lace parting, but you do have some tapered lace. So towards the ear, it does taper off to the side. So this is about as far as you can get the side part to go and still maintain the deepness. So you can still go further back, but this is the limit. It stops here. So I'm cutting a few face framing layers in the front just so that my curls fall the way I like. And I'm using my hot tool curling iron. I'll have the exact inch in the description box, but I'll leave this as 2 inches. And I'm using that to achieve these waves. This barrel is going to give you big waves. If you want tight curls, I suggest a smaller barrel. And you definitely want to use this barrel with longer hair because I feel like it looks better. So I did use free spray before applying the curling iron to the hair because that's going to ensure that I get a better hold, and then I wait until the curls cool down to spray it one more time with that free spray. So you do want to pin your curls in the front. So the curls that are in the very front, like your bang or your swoop, I suggest to pin those so the curls cool all the way down completely before you drop them, because if not, the curls will drop and they will not hold. But otherwise, this style, I love it. I love this hair, y'all. I love this color. I love everything about it. I've worked with YMY hair a few times, so I will link those videos at the end of this one. All links to this wig will be in the description box. If I have a discount code, that will be in the description box as well. Let me know what you guys think about this color and which style you like best. Simple, drop a 1 or a 2, 1 being the straight look, 2 being the body wave, and let me know what you think. So big thank you to YMY Hair. Big shout out to y'all for watching another video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
Room full of beautiful women, but I'm on mine. Room full of women and they notice me. Now they wanna listen to us, try to see. Freaking you. Is there a freak in you? Come and talk to me.